Be blessed by the divine. May the blessings of God and Guru be upon us. Dear aspirants, we all are blessed to come to know the secret of Vethathiri Maharishi's birth as drama through YouTube video. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by the divine. Here is the secret of Vethathiri birth. The secret of Vethathiri Maharishi birth, which came from the father on the day of the Ayudha Puja. This is a celebration of the Ayudha Puja in all Tamil homes. On that day, Vethathiri was as usual in his work. Puja arrangements were in the Vethathiri house. By the way, Vethathiri is always called the Deeparadhana time only. The mother and father of the Vethathiri took care of all the work of the Ayudha Puja.
Vedandri, come on for Deepa worship. Everything was getting ready.
Here, come on, Ma.
Do Deepa worship? Will Puja will be great, dear.
Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sive Sarvartha Sadage Saranye Trayambage Gauri Narayani Namostude.
Child Maharishi was looking at the objects placed in the Ayudha Puja.
What? What is all this?
Dear, it is Shakti Puja. All this is in the offering for Puja.
Mama, for whom?
The Shakti.
Is it Shakti to come here and eat? Only we are eating now. Is Shakti drink this toddy and arak also? No, father is about to eat. Tell me, Mama. Father can get liquor, eat and get it drunk. No problem. Do we even believe this to be offering to God? I don't want this, Mama.
The puja event ended. When it is talked about, mother divided and shared the leaves with puja foods, fruits and all items distribute to everyone that you eat. When they are eating here, Mama is moving and going to the next room.
Honey, please come.
Father accepted his wife's invitation and walked into the room.
We got a child from the blessed after our hard worship to the God. He is like as a Prahlada of you, the boy who is born to you. Have to cut off all the action you and we do.
Mama, you don't know the truth. Don't think as he was a simple man. This is the avatar of the man who has come to achieve a great duties in this world. You have said that you have been a hard worship to the God. He has come to the aid of that hard worship and give born to you. If he does, don't think it is wrong. Take a few good ones. We shall behave accordingly. Don't be wrong. Don't blame him.
Vethathiri is hearing all what his father telling to his mother. Be blessed by the divine. As per his father's words, Vedatri strove to find answers to three questions. What is God? What is life? Why is poverty in the world? The search to find these answers, as well as to further his lot in life, led him into various fields of endeavor, including becoming a qualified practitioner of two systems of Indian indigenous medicine, Ayurveda and Siddha, and certified practitioner homeopathy as well. Vedatri led the life of a householder until he was 50, and then changed the course of his life from being a businessman to teach and write about his experiences of purported divine revelations. He published many books in English and Tamil. In 1958, Sri Vedatri Maharishi founded the World Community Service Center, WCSC, a non-profit registered society with a view to working towards world peace through individual peace. As of today, more than 200 trusts and about 2,000 meditation centers have been registered and affiliated to WCSC in India. From 1972 to 1993, he traveled abroad annually, lecturing and teaching extensively in Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, and the USA. His services are followed by his followers in the worldwide by the Simplified Kundalini Yoga Sky Center. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you for shaping my life. Thank you for teaching me all you can. Thank you for showing me, make me everything I am. Thank you for shaping my life. Thank you for teaching me all you can. Thank you for shaping my life.